Vande Mataram friends. This is the third part of simple, complex and compound. We already discussed the first part and second part of simple, complex and compound sentence. So today the next topic, that's the same topic, but the next thing we learn that here compound we use and, complex we use so that, and simple 2 plus main verb. So see the first sentence. I walk fast, I might reach the station, and we are going to use compound sentence. Now you got the idea that in compound sentence which conjunction we can use here? And. So how can we make the sentence? I walk fast and I might reach the station. This is the compound sentence. Now we are going to use complex sentence. When we use complex sentence, at that time it is necessary to use so that. So I walk fast so that I I might reach the station. This is complex sentence. Okay dear friends, in complex sentence we use here so that. Now how can we make simple sentence? So first of all, I walk fast, Now we use to, so we remove subject plus might. I walk fast to reach, 2 plus main verb, the station. That is simple sentence. Did you get my point? So dear friend, when we use to at that time, please write it down the main verb. Now example number 2, write the full answer, you can get the full marks. The first sentence is written here, write the full answer, you can get the full marks. Now we try to use compound sentence, and all of you have got the idea that which conjunction we use here? And. So first of all, write it down the same sentence. First, write the full answer and you can get the full marks. Okay, now we use complex sentence. In complex sentence we use so that. So dear friend, please remember these things. Okay, when we use complex sentence, compound sentence and a simple sentence, what we use in complex, simple and compound. The third one, when we use complex sentence we add so that. So write the full answer so that you can get the full marks. That is complex sentence. Now the last one, simple sentence. So first of all, write the full answer to. When we use to, we remove subject plus modal auxiliaries, subject plus modal auxiliaries. So write the full answer to what? Get the full marks. To get the full marks. Okay, dear friends, I hope that all of you understood. So first of all, you write it down the sentences with examples, and there is exercise I have given here. Make compound, complex and simple sentence, as I told you before in the first and second video. Okay, now next, sixth one. In sixth one, we use again compound, complex and simple. In compound we use and, complex that, so that, in order that, simple with a view to and, in order to. That topic we have already discussed about that, and this is the adverb clause of purpose. What is adverb clause of purpose? So there are two sentences given. He went to America. So what is the purpose to go America? He wanted to earn money. Okay, so first of all we use here compound sentence. In compound sentence we use and. So he went to America and he, now here wanted is given, so we remove wanted and write this is the past tense. So and he could earn money. Okay, dear friends, he went to America and he could earn money. Next one, complex sentence, that, so that and in order that. That, so that and in order that we use in place of each other. Okay, so he went to America that, so that, in order that he wanted to earn money, so that he, we remove wanted, so he, past tense use here, so he could earn money. Okay, I use here could because the sentence is about past tense. Now in simple sentence, both the methods are different. First of all, I use in order to. So he went to America in order to. When we use in order to, we remove subject and modal auxiliaries or wanted, etc. In order to, what is verb here? On. In order to earn money. Okay, he went to America in order to earn money. The main purpose of going America to earn money. Now we use with a view to. So he went to America with a view to. When we use with a view to, at that time we can use ing form, and in order to plus V1. So he went to America with a view to earning money. So dear friend, when we use in order to, at that time we use V1 main verb, and with a view to, at that time we can use ing form of verb. Okay, so you write it down in your notebook. Now the second example, the teacher taught the lesson. Why the teacher taught the lesson? What is the purpose of teaching the lesson? He wanted to share knowledge to the students. So first of all we use and. The teacher taught the lesson and he, that is the past tense, we remove wanted, and he could share knowledge to the students. This is compound sentence. Now we are going to use complex sentence. In complex sentence we can use that, so that, and in order that. Okay, so the teacher taught the lesson that, so that, or in order that. What is subject here? The teacher. He. Wanted we remove, and we can use could या might. He might, yeah, you can say that he could share knowledge to the students. This is complex sentence. I use here complex sentence. Now we use simple sentence. In simple sentence we can use with a view to or in order to. So first of all, what is the first sentence? The teacher taught the lesson. So the teacher taught the lesson in order to, subject remove, wanted remove, and verb is share. So he taught the lesson in order to share knowledge to the students. Okay, in order to share knowledge to the student. This is simple sentence. The next one, in simple sentence we use which one? With a view to. Very good. So the teacher taught the lesson with a view to. After with a view to we use verb plus ing. So what is verb here? Share. So with a view to sharing knowledge to the students. This one is also simple sentence. Okay, dear friends, did you get my point? Sure. Then write it down the example also, and according to the rules and regulation, I give you some exercise. See that in this exercise you are going to write simple sentence, compound sentence and a complex sentence. Okay, 5 sentences given here. The first one, Sonal went to Agra. She wanted to see the Taj Mahal. Rahul left smoking. He wanted to improve his health. Tell me everything. I want to solve the problem. The thief visited the grocery shop. He wanted to steal ornaments. The policeman entered the house. He wanted to arrest Vijay Mallya. So when you use simple, complex and compound sentence, at that time you have to remove wanted. Okay, dear friends. So first this thing you write it down, everything in your notebook. Exercise is necessary, and please keep in mind that you are going to make 2 notebooks. The first one is about textbook and the second one is about grammar notebook, and grammar topic is very important for you. Okay, and I have written in deep sentences, so whenever you are confused, at that time once again you see the video and get the point, and yet you didn't get the point, then you can contact me. I will always help you. Okay mitro, so thank you. Now number 7, compound sentence and complex sentence, so that and simple sentence to. Now we are going to use these things. First of all, see the example. Mr. Shah is very fat. What is very fat? He cannot enter the room. So we can see that Mr. Shah is very fat. So the reason is that he cannot enter the room. Now we are going to use compound sentence. So first of all, Mr. Shah is very fat and he cannot enter the room. Okay, I use here only and to join the sentence. Now I use so that, the meaning is negative. So Mr. Shah is, we remove very and add so fat that. Mr. Shah is so fat that he cannot enter the room. He cannot enter the room. Mr. Shah is so fat. When we use so that, at that time we remove very. Now the last one, that is simple sentence. So when we use simple sentence, at that time it is necessary to remove so that, very and. Okay, so Mr. Shah is too fat to enter the room. Too fat to enter the room. When we use to, after that we can use adjective. Okay, to adjective, to plus V1. You can write here. To plus adjective या adverb then 2 plus V1, main verb. Okay, did you get my point? Now next, he was very slow, he could not finish the paper. The sentence is used past tense. So first of all I use and. He was very slow and he could not finish the paper. Okay, I use here and. Now I use so that complex sentence. So he was, when we use so that, we remove very. So he was so slow that he could not finish the paper. Okay, dear friends, so I use here so, fat, that. Now when I use remove or when I use to, at that time we should remove so, that and modal auxiliary. So how can we make the sentence? He was too slow to. He was too slow to. Remove so and write to, adjective same, remove that and use to. Too slow to. Subject, modal auxiliaries also you have to remove and too slow to. Write it down. What is verb here? Finish. So to finish the paper. These things we have already discussed about that. Now the next. The school is very far. I cannot go on foot. The school is very far. I cannot go on foot. So here in the first sentence you can see that the subject is not given. And look at the first example and second example. There is a subject here, Mr. Shah and he. But here in the first sentence subject is not given. At that time it is necessary to use for. For plus pronoun. For example, first of all I use and. The school is very far and I cannot go on foot. The next one we use so that. The school is so, we remove very and write it down. So is so far that I cannot go on foot. Now when we use to, at that time we have to use for plus pronoun. See that the school is too far. For whom? I. So what is pronoun of I? Object me. So too far for me. The school is too far for me to go on foot. Okay. Suppose subject is given here she. So the school is too far for her to go on foot. Suppose subject is given here he. So the school is too far for him to go on foot. Okay, suppose they is given, so the school is too far for them to go on foot. Okay, did you get the point? Very good, nice. Now here exercise is given. You have to make complex compound and simple sentence. They are very late, they cannot catch the train. Present tense is used here. Sam is very late, Sam is very short, he cannot touch the cell. Salman is very proud, he cannot admit his fault. But look at the sentence number 4 and 5th. I use here not a subject. Okay, the door is very strong. Now you can see the subject here. The door is very strong, he cannot break it. It was very cold, the old man could not go out.